Letty here. Welcome to hashtag N2S Christmas in July 24. This is the Not Too Shabby Shop Christmas in July new release. I'm going to be doing a project share video showing you 6 cards from the one kit. Welcome back, everyone. So I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here is their logo. I will list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Today, I am working with the Christmas in July release from Not Too Shabby. It comes with a paper pad, a pack of ephemera, and some enamel dots. And so let's go through each item real quick. This is Rustic Christmas. This is the 6x6 paper pad. You do get 24 double-sided sheets, so you're going to get 12 designs, 4 of each one. They are 6x6 sheets of paper. These are loose now. They're not on a pad. They're in a pack. And so there will be a playlist for all of the design team that is creating videos for this Christmas in July release. And I'll link that playlist down in the description box below. You see here, these are some of the patterns that you're going to get. Really pretty reds and greens with poinsettias and stars. And there's some like kind of scripty fonts on here. You can kind of see it subtle scripty fonts. Really cute. So these are going to make some great projects for Christmas. So if you're like me, I like to do my Christmas in July to get a head start on Christmas. It just gets really busy during the holidays. And so being able to do Christmas in July just really helps for later on in the year. So these are, again, all of the different patterns. You also have some faux glitter. Not Too Shabby generally has some faux glitter in their paper pads. It's not real glitter. It's just the paper. It looks like glitter. And then you've got some stripes with some sort of like stamped images on top and some scripty stuff. So again, this is Rustic Christmas. This is a 6x6 paper pad. Really pretty. Then you've got a coordinating ephemera pack called Christmas Tea. And so it's really pretty. There's lots of really gorgeous images. Again, it's called Christmas Tea. There are tons of really, really pretty images, really elegant images. Here is a still shot of all of the items that come in that ephemera pack. You see here some little girls and some puppies and some tea settings. Really, really pretty. Then you also have a pack of enamel dots. This is called Vintage Christmas Charm. These are glitter enamel dots, and so you've got some little glitter inside of them. Really, really pretty. And you're going to see later in my cards how much these sparkle. So again, this was the Christmas in July release from the Not Too Shabby Shop. Let's go ahead and dive in to today's project. Okay, so for today's video, I am using that Christmas in July release from Not Too Shabby. I have done some cards, and so let me show you what else I used. Though I used the Holly Jolly stamp set from the Not Too Shabby Shop. I got that sentiment and then a couple of the little images. I believe this may still be available in the shop. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. And then I also brought in some store-bought card bases and envelopes from my stash from Hobby Lobby that I had purchased on clearance. And so those are the items I used. I made 6 cards from one kit. This is just a project share video, so I'm just going to show you the cards that I made. I've already made them off camera. And so I was able to pop up my ephemera piece on foam dimensional tape, added some of those glitter enamel dots. So you can see there the glitter, how it sparkles. I added some stamped images and I colored them with my alcohol markers. And then I also added a doodle line. I added a couple little layers here, one with a cardstock, added my scraps to the inside of my card and added a white mat to the inside of my card. So here is what my finished card looks like. Just layered up some paper on that. And then I also did sort of a basic design on this one, layered up some elements here, as well as an ephemera piece and a sentiment, added the enamel dots, and then also stamped a little bit on the inside just to kind of decorate and finish off the card. And then I also did another one here, really cute. I like these images, these tea images, tea time images. They're really pretty. These are Christmas tea and they're just absolutely gorgeous. They're so elegant, I think. Again, you can check out what the rest of the design team is making using these items through the playlist that I'll link down in the description box below. Look at these. These are so pretty. These images of the little girl drinking her tea, Christmas tea. Really pretty. And again, I just used my scraps on the insides of my cards, added those enamel dots, and they are glitter enamel dots, added some little doodle lines. Just really basic cards, but I think the ephemera and the papers really elevate them. And then, of course, the little stamped images, all the items that I had purchased from or received from Not Too Shabby. So really, really cute, really pretty. And the enamel dots, just super shiny. You can see there, super, super shiny. And I thought that that little sentiment worked pretty well with all of the different cards. Just to kind of make it easy on myself, I went ahead and used the same one. So those were the 6 cards from this one kit from the Christmas in July release from Not Too Shabby. And I also brought in the Holly Jolly stamp set, also from Not Too Shabby, for today's project today. Again, I do have a website affiliate link from Not Too Shabby that I'll link down below. It helps me at no extra cost to you. So again, you can check out that hashtag N2S Christmas in July 24, or check out that playlist that I'm going to link right down in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. I hope you're motivated to take out your Christmas items or go purchase these Christmas items and start your Christmas card collection now. That way you save time and have it so much easier later in the year. Happy crafting.